Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use Discover card. So if you've just received your Discover credit card, here's how you can start using it. So if you're from America, you can directly use a Discover credit card. I'm not from America, but I'll show you how you can use it through this. So right over here, as you can see, the first step is very simple. You gotta activate your card. You gotta activate your card using the Discover app, website, or by calling the number on their sticker. And then you gotta make and purchase. So once your card is activated, you can begin making purchases anywhere Discover is accepted. Simply tap, and it's for contactless payments. Insert the chip into the card and use it in readers or anywhere, or swipe the magnet stripe if needed. For online shopping, enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and your billing information at the checkout. And to avoid interest charges, try to pay full balance. Due to each date, you can make payments through Discover app, a website, or set up automatic and monitor your transactions anytime. You gotta manage your account, track spending. As I told you, you gotta set alerts and manage card in your Discover app. You can also make payments, pay your bill on time, avoid interest, and keep your account in good standing. So how you can activate your card: open Discover app. It should look like this, okay? And you gotta enter your email and everything, and right over here you'll see your activate card option. So what you have to do, enter your card number, expiration date, and the last four digits. Once you've done that, they will say your card is activated and it's ready to use. After that, you can make purchases. So in store, you can use the swipe. You can do it online or in apps. You can directly manage your account, activity, payments, rewards, and card system. And also you can make payments, pay on time, pay your way, and set up auto pay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this really actually helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.